Number 6. The function g is defined by g of x equals 6x. For what value of x is g of x 54? Functions are about inputs and outputs. When you have what we start with graphing, when we start things like, say, y equals 6x. With this, they're equal in the sense that, like, I can plug in y and solve for x, and I can plug in x and solve for y. Now, while we can also solve for both variables in a function, the flow of it is different. When we have a function, what it's saying is, and I'm putting f of x is the most common, but here we're using g of x. It doesn't matter. It can be any letter, of x. When we say that these equal 6x, it's saying if I put a number in here, let's say I put in 2, what would be f of 2? If f of x equals 6x, what is f of 2? So, okay, take 2, then I go over to my equation on the right-hand side. Everywhere that there's an x, I plug in a 2, then I do my math, 6 times 2, and I get 12. So f of 2 equals 12. F of x being the most common variation. So that's the process. Input, output. So it's a little different phrasing, but it's the same sort of thing. So this one they're calling the function g of x. So for this one, same sort of thing. A number is being plugged in for x. You do the math, you multiply 6 times it, you get an output. What is it? So here it's saying g of x is 54. The output was 54, so I can plug that in right there and saying 54 was my output, my g of x. What x did I plug in to get this output? Well, now I have a much more sort of straightforward algebra equation. If 54 is equal to 6 times x, I want to solve for x. I need to undo what's been done. X is being multiplied by 6. The opposite of that is division. So I'm going to divide both sides by 6. So on the right side, the 6's cancel out, so I just have my x left behind. And 54 divided by 6 is 9. So that is my answer, 9. And you can double check that by saying, okay, if g of x is 6x, if I plug 9 in, g of 9, then I put it everywhere here. 6 times 9, 54 is my output. Yep, that is correct. 9 is my answer. Hey guys, it's Alyssa, and if you're looking for more SAT or PSAT help, go to mathwithalyssa.com. You can get over 25 hours. Yes, 25 hours of test prep, including math and reading and writing. And there's dozens of practice questions, downloadable study guides, you name it. Links to everything in the description down below. Leave me a comment if you have any questions about this video or any suggestions for future videos. And if this video was helpful or useful in any way, please let YouTube know. Like, share, comment, subscribe, you know the drill. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. See you later.